Good e-learning has been officially accredited as an ITIL leader in the Course Conductor Trusted Training Radar Report.
Big congratulations to the team at Good e-learning who have recently been accredited as Course Conductor Market Leaders for ITIL training.
Good e-learning offers a portfolio covering the whole of ITIL, including ITIL V3 and the brand new ITIL IV. This new accreditation marks us as a top-tier training provider for one of the world's most widely used IT service management frameworks. Course Conductor is an independent analytics company. It aims to highlight the world's best training companies, making it easier for investors and students to choose the options most suited to them. The Trusted Training Radar Report uses 141 metrics across 6 categories: learner satisfaction, quality of customer support, quality of course content, learning environment, achievement of course expectations, and overall contribution to the training industry.
So some of the statistics based on our analysis about Good e-learning include 90% of Good e-learning customers would recommend them to their colleagues. And also Good e-learning scored very well for customer service, flexibility and professionalism with a total score of 92%. Now in terms of the actual narrative in the feedback, it's really focuses on 3 things. The first thing was happiness with the overall design of the e-learning platform. And the second thing was the high quality course content. And the third thing, and perhaps most referenced by customers, was the speed in which Good e-learning responds to queries instantaneously online during the e-learning experience for people.
Are you interested in hearing more about studying ITIL with Good e-learning? Book a trial via our website or contact a member of the Good e-learning team today to find out more.